Where did all of it begin? Was it there? No. It doesn't matter where. Everything happened as I willed it. Everything begins here.
I'll drive them all out! Kill them with my bare hands! Damn you! You traitors! Then stop acting like you've got any right to feel sorry for yourself! We're living in a hell you two created!
I'll trample it to the ground. The whole outside world. And every person in it.
That isn't the answer, Aaron! Most of the people out there don't have anything to do with what we've gone through.
To witness all that. Was to know the greatest freedom this world could offer.
We're here.